Did you see she posted a video and don't have anyone else to talk to about it? I hear you. I'm in the same boat. I'm gonna post the video so we can talk about it together.
Hello, hello, guys. Hello. Welcome back to another video. I am so hungry.
Really? I think you'd
Yeah,
have to not
about
eat for
to
more than
eat
4
some
hours to actually
KFC.
be hungry, hun.
Let's resurrect KFC and say Bismillah. This delicious food.
The problem is she can't resurrect herself.
And
She can resurrect KFC meals, but once she dies, she will not be able to resurrect herself.
eat a bite.
Jesus fucking Christ, seal carcass, what was that? What was that? Beyond the eye roll, what was that? How does one eat that much food in one bite? That's revolting.
Let me get a bite of this.
Oh,
Double
please do.
cruncher.
One chicken breast wasn't enough. There needed to be 2. Oh my fucking god. It has to be food porn at this point. That's insane. Letting the food just fall out of her mouth like a pig at a trough. What, did you edit out a fart there? What was that cut?
When I crave KFC, there's nothing more I want.
No, she doesn't want her health. She doesn't want to live a long life. She doesn't want to think beyond the next second. Exactly. I'm glad she's aware.
There's like no other craving. There's like no other craving that can satisfy my craving for KFC. Ugh. Okay. So it'd be like fries and ketchup on the top and then the cheese fries on the bottom.
Again, 1 layer of fries wasn't enough. We need 2 layers of fries. Why do they just double up on
It's like
everything?
a hash brown, cheese, dynamite sauce, lettuce, 2 crispy chicken patties.
God, the chewing. I cannot get over the sounds her jaw makes. It reminds me of like a snake dislocating its jaw to eat something.
So I hope you're all having something good to eat.
I wonder if she knows that people watch her specifically to not eat. I am in fact not eating right now. I'm painting my
Your
toenails.
favorite meal?
Good God, the bites.
We started watching
That's why she drops so much food on herself, because she's constantly picking up too much on the fork.
a movie called The Descent.
Please don't talk about my favorite movie.
You probably heard of it because it's not a new movie.
The way she just sticks the fork like a flag. And the jaw pop. Why start a story then take a bite of food? You can't tell a story.
And it's about a group of friends who go spelunking or exploring caves.
I love the way she looks at her food, perusing where the next bite's gonna come from. Another huge jump cut. That wasn't me.
And, you know, things happen.
Vivid
But
detail.
honestly, for me, the horror movie
Things happened. Vivid detail. Movie critic.
wouldn't be the monsters. It would be the caves itself.
Again, just dropped a fry. And she found it. Joy.
As someone who's severely claustrophobic, like
You would have to be able to fit in small
I don't
spaces to be
understand the appeal.
claustrophobic.
Like,
I don't think that can happen. You're good.
have you seen some of these crazy spelunking videos? The tiny crevices they have to squeeze themselves through.
Honestly, some of my favorite videos to watch. I'll agree with her. Shockingly enough, it's insane that people are willing to throw themselves in that.
Underground.
But no, she wouldn't fit in the entrance. Never mind in those cracks and crevices.
Like,
The Grand Canyon would have a hard time fitting her. The hamster wheel is turning.
I mean, many people have like, it's a risk. It's a risky
Lord in
type of
heaven.
sport, but
The amount of oil that must be on her hijabs from her constantly readjusting them. Maybe that's why we don't see the same one that often. She just gets a new one.
I don't know. Even not being claustrophobic, like, I don't know. Will you guys try that? As a fat person, of course, you can't do that. The tiny, tiny crevices, but I'm totally fine with that being a limitation.
You're fine with many more limitations the way you eat, not just that.
I'm totally fine. Getting stuck in a small tiny crevice that you can't even move in, just waiting to like go, would be the worst form,
I mean, technically,
in my opinion.
you're stuck in a giant
But we're getting
trap
lost.
of your own making.
I don't know.
And it is an awful way to go. I'd agree.
I just don't get the appeal of like squeezing yourself through a tiny, tiny passage. In a dark cavern. But I will admit, I do enjoy watching them. As a claustrophobic, I like watching things like from like my fears from afar. I like watching my fears from the safety of my bedroom. Like elevator videos. I'll watch like stuck in an elevator video.
Even at home, she still does the side eyes that she used to when she was in the car eating her fast food takeout meals.
My cat is beezing. Man.
The constant staring at the next bite. I will never not get over it.
As for the movie, I think I watched it years and years ago, but I don't remember it. But we're like 45 minutes in, and there's still no monsters or horror.
So much grease she can't hold on to her chicken.
It's a very slow burn.
I didn't think she was going to eat the whole thing, but she's going to clear the plate. And she has a second sandwich? Is that what we see off to the side there? Should have a bingo card. I bet she's going to say it's for
I
Salah.
love pickled jalapenos.
Oh, she said the word pickle. That's another one.
It comes with the bonus sandwich, so. You know.
She couldn't help herself.
I messed up my eyeliner today.
It came with a bonus sandwich.
I don't get it. So I don't get the cave dwelling, the cave spelunking, but not something I would ever do.
Just like sticking to your diet. It will be something you never do.
I mean, you can't be claustrophobic even in the slightest to do something like that. Ooh. Anyways, I'm pretty full.
Pretty full.
So I'm going to save this for later, whatever. And, yeah. We're going to go finish our movie soon.
No bingo today.
And I hope you enjoyed your dinner, whatever you had. This is so delicious. It's like, it should be illegal. It's too delicious.
It's just KFC, Foodie.
Honestly, the KFC here, I'm telling
It's
you.
just deep fried chicken. She's acting like it's
Anyways,
manna from heaven.
Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Or haute cuisine. She really doesn't know what she's talking about. It's just so frustrating. She gets so excited to eat these meals and then goes out to have a nice dinner and can't stand the portion sizes or the flavor. So disappointing. Well, anyway, that's all for me tonight. Good night.